Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in FSEX Online Sport and Assignments tutorial for Round 2 Week 2. I am Zubair Zak from APS Chaktamni. The grade is 4 and subject is Science. Recipe is chapter number 4, States of Matter, Melting and Freezing. Objective is at the end of this week you would be able to understand about melting, freezing and water expansion from textbook pages 65 to 69. Task 1. That is about melting and freezing. Melting is when matter changes from a solid to a liquid. For example, when ice melts, it will change into liquid water. What is melting point? The temperature at which a solid changes into a liquid. Ice melting point is 0 degrees Celsius. What is freezing? To freeze means to change a substance from a liquid to a solid by cooling it to the freezing point. When you will place the liquid water inside your refrigerator, then it will change into solid ice. And the temperature at which a liquid changes to a solid, this temperature is known as freezing point. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to discuss the home tasks for the day 1. You have to read and memorize the answers of the questions from textbook pages 65 to 67. You have to write the answers of these questions on loose sheets. After completion of written work, you will memorize the answers, which are what is melting point and freezing point. What is freezing point of water? And now it's time to discuss the task 2, that is about water expansion upon freezing, and to know about the metal which has the highest melting point. You have learned in chapter 3 heat and temperature that most substances contract when they are cooled and thus decrease in volume during freezing. However, water expands during freezing and increases in volume instead. This is why many water pipes may burst during the winter when the water freezes. Water expansion during freezing causes pressure to build up before finally causing the pipe to burst. Did you know that the tungsten, which is a metal, has highest melting point? And now it's time to discuss the home tasks for the day 2. You have to read and memorize the answers of the questions from textbook pages 68 to 69. You have to write the answers of these questions on loose sheets. After completion of written work, you will memorize the answers, which are why do the water pipes burst during winter? Which metal has highest melting point? Day 1 and day 2 tasks completed. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and have a nice day.